Myself, I'm Rahul Sidharth from IS team. I'm leading cyberproof L1 support right now for IS. Had an impression about servant leadership. Got a feel of it right now, and think it's too good. We should have this much programs in all the organizations just to understand what good a servant leadership can be to an organization. So the best thing is it makes us a better leader. What I understand from our traditional leadership, what we had right now. Hopefully this would make us lead the team to a better organization results and all. So I think there are many takeaways. Implementing servant leadership, it's a lot of areas which was covered in the last 2 days. So I think all these aspects would be used in a very good manner for our team, and which would eventually result in a very good organizational results. I think so.